Assalamu alaikum everyone. Tomorrow we are going to celebrate Independence Day with a great pride and joy. As we prepare this beautiful craft for the celebration, we are also sharing what we know about our country. But while talking, we realize that sometimes what we hear things that are not completely true. Some are only myths, while others are facts. But while making this craft, let's help one another learn the truth. Come, let's begin our myth or fact discussion.
Friends, I have heard that India got freedom in just one day. Is that true? No, that's a common myth. India became independent after many years of struggle, courage, patience, and sacrifices made by thousands of brave people. Islam teaches us to appreciate the sacrifices and efforts people work for justice and goodness. Gratitude is a grateful quality.
It is thought only famous freedom fighters helped India become independent.
Not at all. Along with famous leaders, many ordinary men, women, and even children silently contributed to India's freedom. India values every sincere gooddeed, whether it is small or big. Every contribution matters.
Since we are just children, we can't really do anything for our country, right?
That's right. We can help our country every day by studying sincerely, speaking the truth, respecting others, keeping our surroundings clean, and following rules. The Prophet Muhammad taught us that honesty, kindness, and responsibility makes us good people and responsible citizens.
Someone told me that loving our country means respecting only people who are like us.
That's incorrect. Our country is beautiful because people of different regions, languages, and cultures live together with respect and harmony. The Quran teaches us to be kind, fair, and respectful towards everyone.
Does keeping our classroom clean really have anything to do with loving our country?
Yes, it does. A clean classroom, a clean school, and a clean neighborhood help build a clean and proud nation. Islam encourages and teaches us to take care of the places where we live and we learn. I think we only need to respect our national flag on Independence Day. That's another myth. Our national flag is a symbol of our nation's freedom, unity, and pride. It deserves our respect every day. A good Muslim respects the laws, values, and symbols of the country in which they live.
I heard someone say we are Muslims, so we should support only Muslim nation and we don't have to follow the constitution or laws of India. Is that true?
No, that is a myth. Islam does not teach us to break our promises, betray our responsibilities, or break or ignore the lawful rules of the country where we live. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us the importance of fulfilling our trust and keeping our agreements. Islam teaches us to be honest, just, peaceful, and responsible.
Says in the Quran, indeed Allah commands you to render just to whom they are due, and when you judge between people, to judge with justice.
As citizens of India, respecting the constitution, laws, rights, and duties of our country is part of being responsible citizens. So, being a Muslim and being a responsible Indian citizen can go together?
Of course, we can follow our faith by being loyal, honest, peaceful, and responsible citizens of India.
Exactly, our Prophet ﷺ taught us trustworthiness, justice, and keeping our commitments. These values guide us to be responsible member of the society in which we live.
Today, by preparing the Independence Day craft, we also learn something even more valuable. We learn that before believing anything, we should always find the truth. When we replace myths with facts, then we become even more wiser and more responsible citizens. When we practice honesty, kindness, justice, respect, cleanliness, and responsibility, then follow the beautiful teachings of Islam. May Allah the guide is to always speak the truth, respect one another, fulfill responsibility, and work together for peace, unity, and progress of our nation. Ameen.